Hello all, in this video we are going to demonstrate a histogram. Histogram is similar to a column chart or bar chart with no space in between the bars or columns. It mainly uses for the data with the class intervals or the ranges. Here I have the range or the class interval of grades or points from 0 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89 and 90 to 100, and I have a count of students here, number of students or in that particular range or in that particular class interval. So as I mentioned, you could draw either column chart or bar chart. Let me show you the column chart in this video. Select the data, go to insert and do the column, and you will be having this particular chart. Okay, so you could rename this with a histogram, and select the bars, select the columns, and then once you select the column, you would be able to see format data series. If you are not able to see, you could right click and select the format data series and you would be able to get it. As I mentioned, it's mainly a column chart and bar chart with no space in between the bars. So here we have some space, right? So just reduce the space, and this is a histogram. Okay, so basically it tells you the story of the pattern of how the people has performed in that class interval. Okay, so this is what the histogram. And again, as you know, you could be able to add data labels, and those data labels are in black. You could be able to use that white color in the home. You could select the white as well. Okay, and in order to get a better story for your data, you could even change the colors of these columns. Okay, so I would leave the students with the 80 to 100, 80 to 89 and 90 to 100 in the blue, but I would like to put students in 70 to 79 in a different color. Okay, for that what you need to do is select on that particular select on this particular column, one particular column, go to fill, and then here you have color. You could change whatever the color that you want, and maybe for these two, just click outside somewhere here other than the label. Okay, and then you could change that color too, which is 60 to 69. Maybe you want to put a little bit red, and this one you may want to put a little bit red. So that means someone have to watch that, and this should be okay. So usually this gives you a pattern. You could use colors, or you might be able to leave your data like that. Okay, so you would be able to get a better story if you put the colors, so that you could say that there are two class intervals, or at least the two ranges from 0 to 59 and 60 to 69 are not performing very well. Okay, and 70 to 79, 18 number of students are performing okay, but 25 plus 10 in that particular class interval, 80 to 100 or 80 to 89 and 90 to 100 are performing better. Okay, so you would be able to write a better story if you have different colors. Otherwise you could leave the colors, the default colors that you want. Okay, thank you for watching.